iMillionaire. Who can benefit from an iMillionaire? Aspiring entrepreneurs, those looking to start a business without prior experience will find the platform invaluable. iMillionaire is a platform that uses AI to automate business tasks and make money. It promises a simple way to create wealth by handling marketing and sales for you. The system is based on the creator's own success strategies. What is iMillionaire? Busy professionals, individuals with full-time jobs can create a side income without sacrificing their time. Stay-at-home parents, the automated features allow parents to manage a business from home while caring for their families. Newbies to online business, the user-friendly design and comprehensive training make it accessible for beginners. Experienced marketers, those already in the online business space can leverage iMillionaire to scale their operations. How does an iMillionaire work? iOperated, the system operates on AI algorithms that manage various aspects of the business, from customer interactions to sales processes. Proven sales system, users benefit from a sales framework that has been tested and optimized for maximum conversion rates. Traffic automation, it makes it easy to get traffic on different digital platforms through automated processes. Bonus no. एक आई ट्रैफिक मशीन. बोनस नो. બે आई मिलियनेयर प्लेबुक. बोनस नो. 3 आई मिलियनेयर एक्टिवेशन कोड्स. बोनस नो. 4 मिलियनेयर क्लोनिंग सिस्टम. बोनस नो. 5 ऑटोमेटेड कस्टमर सर्विस सॉल्यूशन. बोनस नो. 6 लिव हैंडओवर सेशन. In the next 15 minutes, you could be free forever from any fear of being replaced by AI. Outliving your retirement savings. Watching your nest egg vanish due to inflation. Struggling with financial uncertainty. Accept this done for you business and activate the iMillionaire who will run it for you. And I'll open the door to a world you didn't even know existed where you can create abundance on demand. Key features of iMillionaire. iOperated, the platform utilizes advanced AI technology to automate various business processes, minimizing manual effort. Proven sales system, it includes a tested sales system that helps users convert leads into sales effectively. Traffic automation, iMillionaire automates traffic generation strategies, allowing users to attract potential customers effortlessly. Where do I sign up? Because this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. To eliminate all financial uncertainty. To join a team of world-class winners. To take absolute control of your future. The Live Handover Session. Live session with Michael Cheney where he will be handing over the business to attend this. Value $497, free today. Fact 1. The most certain way to create wealth is to do what a millionaire does. The hard way takes years. The easy way is at your fingertips and it's called iMillionaire. Fact B. The safest way to build wealth is partnering with an existing proven and profitable business to grow with the cash flow and getting a millionaire to run the business for you, aka iMillionaire. Fact 3. The fastest way to create massive wealth with minimal effort is piggybacking on an existing successful business and getting the millionaire behind it to run it for you, aka iMillionaire. What can be learned from iMillionaire? Understanding AI tools, users will learn how to leverage AI for various business functions. Sales techniques, the platform teaches effective sales strategies that can be applied in different contexts. Traffic generation, users will gain knowledge on how to attract and convert leads. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.